Namaskar, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Absolute Truth. The nation is into lot of issues. China is there due to COVID, economic issues are there. Then there are a number of other issues, internal issues also. And we don't have a very strong opposition party today. All these opposition who are there, their leader has ran away to America under the pretext that the leader of his mother is not well, and his mother is also the same. Okay, in this time of crisis, rather than bashing up the government or bashing up the prime minister, it is in need of the hour to stand behind him, to stand with him, to support him. China, you know what all China has done, and Pakistan, what all Pakistan does and will do. Everybody knows. What I suggest is that cumulatively let us come together and help the government, help the prime minister to overcome this crisis. What we have seen is the dynast rule. We have seen the the Nehrus, the Gandhis, the Pawars, Yadavs, both in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, the Abdullahs, the Muftis, uh, the Reddys in Andhra Pradesh, uh, DMK, all these are all dynast. And what this dynast have done for the nation, for their state, for their community, if we see, is big zero. If you take the example, today we will talk on the example of the Gandhis. What have the Gandhis done? Indira Gandhi, she was really a strong lady. 1971 war, she won. She got this Bangladesh and Pakistan separated. That was fine. But then she got emergency, she got corruption, and emergency is well known to everybody. What happened in emergency? And every time this, you take any big scams, these people are all over there. You take Colgate scam, the PMO scam, the 2G scam, Bofors, and not many. Khalistan, the incorporator of Khalistan was Sanjay Gandhi, who was Bindran Wale. Bindran Wale was Sanjay Gandhi's friend. Okay, but that itself they had to. So we have got that problem with us. Then the Pandit problem in Kashmir. Rajiv Gandhi could have very well stopped this by using power, which today the Modi government has done, or the BJP government has done. Amit Shah and got good people like Doval, and he could do that. And eventually, the Pandits will be reinstated over there, I am sure. But Rajiv Gandhi just ignored it, and Pandits were massacred, their girls were raped and killed, so they had to run away, keeping all their property over there. That is one thing. This is what Rajiv Gandhi did. There was no need for sending IPKF forces to Sri Lanka. What that Sri Lanka has given in return, they have shook hands with Chinese, and they have already lost Hambantota. So that is one thing. That was a blunder, and he had to lose his life in that. It was very unfortunate losing anybody's life. Then came Narsih Rao government. It came. They were also into scams, but Narsih Rao did some really good work. But these people will not appreciate Narsih Rao because he is not a Gandhi. Okay. Then they did not allow anybody to rule other than the Gandhis. Let it be Karan Singh, let it be Mr. Morarji Desai, let it be your Deve Gowda, let it be Inder Kumar Gujral. All these people, all these governments came down just because of the Congress ideology. Then in 1998 or 99, Sonia Gandhi took over the reins of Congress in her hands. What is Sonia Gandhi? Let us go back to Sonia Gandhi's history. Sonia Gandhi is an Italian Catholic Christian. Okay, she is a strong supporter of the Palestinian movement. It is in public domain that she was supporting Hamas by giving them money. Thirdly, she was the person who made the Congress government give an affidavit in the High Court that was Ram really existing. That is one thing. She was the person who wanted to break down the Ram Setu. Okay, she never wanted the Ram Mandir to come up. Today also, if you see, there are some red stones which are required from Rajasthan. But Rajasthan Congress government is there. Gehlot has stopped the mining of those red stones so that those stones do not go to for Ram Mandir. And it is unfortunate that all these Hindu leaders are beneath her. That is a sad part of our story. Okay. Then we have this great child, Rahul Gandhi. What is his education qualification? Nobody knows. What is his ideology? Nobody knows. If anybody says that I should have Rahul Gandhi as my icon, or he's not an icon, but if anybody says what he should look upon, what is his marriage status? Nobody knows. And what has he given to India? Any intellectualness? Any good this thing? He even could not manage his own party today. Okay. And they are all together over there. In Sonia Gandhi's regime also, when Manmohan Singh was there, I will not say, I will not blame Manmohan Singh. Manmohan Singh was a Dhritarashtra. Okay. He was a horse above the carriage, where the reins of the carriage of that horses was in Sonia Gandhi's hand. She used to tack, and then Manmohan Singh used to go this way. If he has to take a right turn, she will put the right rein. If he has to take a left turn, he will put the left rein. Okay, and that's how the carriage. So there was 2G scam, there was all other scams over there. Unnecessarily, this I have a very good opinion, but since he was a Dhritarashtra, I will refrain from using certain words from him because he is a highly learned and a good person. Because he is the person who got the economy back to the surface when Narasimha Rao was the chief prime minister. So anyway, so this is the Congress ideology. This is the dynast ideology. Today also they don't want to leave. They want a Gandhi family person only to be ruling Congress. That is because the assets which belong to Congress, they want the control of those assets. Huge assets worth crores of rupees are with Congress, and those assets they don't want to share with anybody, and that is why they don't want to they don't want to leave the control of the party. The party may come to power or not, that is another thing. Another thing of Sonia Gandhi, let me point out. Since Sonia Gandhi became the president of Congress, see, the key positions were all with Christian people. Defense was A.K. Antony. Then first chief minister of Chhattisgarh was Ajit Jogi, who just passed away. He was a Christian. First prime minister of Andhra Pradesh was again Y.S.R. Reddy, again a Christian. Okay, so all dominant positions. She even got that CVC, some Thomas, who had to be thrown out because of his. So whatever people she got are all this kind of people. Ottavio Quattrochi. Why he was not caught? Because she is the lady behind that. Today also, I have very strong doubt why they have gone to US. Because if Modi government, which has come very heavily on them, to garner some support, not support, nobody will support them across the world today, but to safeguard all their interest somewhere by going abroad. Again, coming to Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi has 4 passports: Italian, Indian, British, and one more, I don't know, Subramaniam Swami had mentioned this in this. So do we really require this dynasty? Is democracy really percolating down? This is the time that democracy should percolate down. And if we really need dynasty, then the royals were better. The royals were really better. So royals are far better. Today also the royals are there. They should come into the mainstream. They should come into the democratic stream. I have been talking to a lot of royals through my Facebook page, Bhagwantrao Kulkarni. And well, some of them have feel that yes, I am right. So this is how I think we will take another chapter on another dynasty next time. Today only this much. Thank you. Dhanyavad.